Hi, I'm Ken Collins, and welcome to Collins Leadership Center. This has been something I've been very passionate about. My Leadership Solutions Center is an events venue, essentially for investing in people. And so I have the ability to bring exclusive, world-class, customized resources to your disposal in the areas of personal development and essentially becoming a better you. Let me give you an example of some of the events we'll be holding here. My main event, which runs from October through February, is the Live2Lead Experience. I will be bringing world-class international leaders to West Bend, Wisconsin through videocasts. Outside of that, we will bring smaller events to the groups in the form of workshops. I'm a human behavior consultant, and so we will be talking about human behavior and personality styles. Another event that you'll be seeing pretty regularly is what we call Masterminds, and that is under the same premise where we're going to take concepts within books that we can apply to our own lives, whether it's family or business, and then with support groups to encourage, guide, and motivate us to continue to move forward in this ever-changing world of reinventing ourselves. We also have some game nights available to us with some exclusive John Maxwell leadership and communication games and things like that. So we're pretty excited to bring these world-class resources and learning environments to you in the spirit of building a better business, personal growth within your families, and also communities, because everybody's doing a lot of community involvement, and so it's an all-encompassing set of services.